Yeah, my hair looks nice and polished. So today we're gonna be doing a hair review on Myfirstwig. They sent over their 10-inch Yaki hair. Now that it's on my head, that looks good. I'm gonna just take the combs on the side and pull them down a little bit. I never tried a 10x6, but this is how it looks right now. Everything looked good. Okay, now I'm gonna take the drawstring, which is so cool. Oh, now that makes it really sturdy to the head, as you guys can see. It is glueless from the front side. For up in here, this is glueless, and I feel like it looks very natural. I like the density of it too. It's very classy, but I have to get it right. So what I do is just hot comb it right here. Look at that. That is so pretty, y'all.